Hi, hello, welcome to MS Academy. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Yes, so in today's video, in the previous video we have learned about pH scale. Yes, and also we have learned about water acids, water bases and what reactions takes place when we combine with metals, non-metals, metal, hydrogen, carbonates. And in today's topic we are going to learn about salts. Yes, and what are the common chemicals we can take from the salt. Yes, so here what are the common chemicals? What is the chemical formula of table salt? NaCl. Yes, now here I am taking NaCl and I am mixing with water. Yes, and I am mixing with water. When I take NaCl and I mixed with water, and if I pass electricity to it, that is called as a brine solution. Yes, what is brine solution? When we take table salt, when we take NaCl, and to that NaCl if I add water and if I pass electricity, yes, if I do electrolysis in that process, in that solution, that is called as a brine solution. Yes, when you pass electricity to it, it gives NaOH, chlorine and hydrogen gas. This chlorine gas is evolved at anode and hydrogen gas is evolved at cathode. Yes, now from these whatever products we have got from the brine solution, from those products we are going to prepare some chemicals from the common salt. Yes, so first let us learn about bleaching powder. What is bleaching powder? The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. CaOCl2. How we have got this bleaching powder? Now calcium hydroxide. Yes, to that calcium hydroxide, the chlorine gas which is evolved at anode. If I combine that chlorine gas with calcium hydroxide, I get CaOCl2 plus H2O. This CaOCl2 is nothing but it is called as a bleaching powder. Now, what are the uses of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is used in textile industry and it is used in paper industry and in some chemical equations. It is used as an oxidizing agent, and we all are very familiar that bleaching powder is used to disinfect the germs. Yes, it is used to disinfect the germs. By using bleaching powder, we'll put the overhead tank which is present on our top of a building. We put some bleaching powder. Why we put some bleaching powder? Because it kills all the germs which are present in that water. Yes, so it is used in disinfecting the germs and it is used in reagent in preparation of chloroform. Okay, it is used in the preparation of chloroform. Yes, so what is bleaching powder, ma? Bleaching powder is prepared from calcium hydroxide. To that calcium hydroxide, the chlorine gas which is evolved at anode. When we combine chlorine gas which is evolved at anode, with that it forms bleaching powder CaOCl2 plus H2O. So what are the uses? It is used in textile industry, it is used in paper industry, it is used in oxidizing agent, it is used to disinfect the germs, and it is also used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform. This is about bleaching powder. And the next is baking soda. So you all are very familiar that soda. Why we use soda? Yes, baking soda. Mainly we use baking soda for the puffiness. Yes, in order to get the puffiness. Yes, when you eat a cake, the bread of the cake, it will be very puffiness. Yes or not? How we get that puffiness? That puffiness is we will be getting that puffiness from the baking soda. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaHCO3, sodium hydrocarbonate. So here when NaCl reacts with water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia, then we get NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This NaHCO3 is nothing but it is a chemical formula for baking soda. So that baking soda, when you put all the whatever we have mixed the rough, we put in one cake bowl and we put in a oven. Means oven is nothing but we are producing some heat. Yes, to this baking soda, when you produce some heat, it releases carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas is important for the puffiness. Yes, so with the cake which we eat, it will be very puffy or not? Yes, how we got that puffiness? When baking soda is produced with the heat. Yes, when we produce some heat to that baking soda, it releases carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas is necessary for the puffiness. Yes, so see, you can see the equation here. sodium hydrocarbonate reacted. When we produce some heat, it releases carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas is necessary for the puffiness. Where we can see uses, see, it makes the sponginess. It is used as an antacid. It is used as mild antiseptic, and it is also used in fire extinguishers. How can we say that it is used in fire extinguishers? Why? Because when you produce some heat, as it is releasing carbon dioxide gas. So we all have a knowledge that carbon dioxide gas, what does that carbon dioxide gas do? It put off the fire. So for that reason we are using it in the fire extinguishers. Yes, baking soda, what is the chemical formula for baking soda? NaHCO3, sodium hydrocarbonate. Yes, when you produce some heat to that baking soda, it releases carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas is important for the puffiness of any cake or whatever we eat. When our mother prepare bhajis, everything, she used some baking soda so that you will be getting some puffiness. Yes, what are the uses? It makes it spongy, it is used as antacid, it is used as mild antiseptic, and it is also used in fire extinguishers. And next the common salt. What we are going to learn about washing soda. What is the chemical formula for washing soda? Na2CO3 10H2O. Before going to learn about washing soda, let us learn what do you mean by crystallization and what do you mean by recrystallization. Crystallization is nothing but removing the water molecules by heating. For example, if you take copper sulfate, CuSO4, yes, initially that copper sulfate will be in blue in color. Now take a test tube, take some copper sulfate and heat that copper sulfate with the help of spirit lamp. So you can observe that the blue color changes to white color. Why that blue color has changed to white color? Because when we produce some heat to that, it releases the water molecules. Yes, as the water molecules goes off, the blue color changes to white color. This indicates that the water molecules have been evaporated. That process is called as what? Crystallization. That process is called as crystallization. Removing of water molecules. Yes, removing of water molecules is called as crystallization. Now, after taking test tube, if I add 2 or 3 drops of water to it, what does I get? Again that white color changes to blue color. Means again I am adding water. If I add water, what does that say? That is nothing but recrystallization. Crystallization means removing water molecules. Recrystallization means adding water molecules. Okay. Next, washing soda. Even this washing soda is obtained from recrystallization itself. Recrystallization means adding water molecules. So Na2CO3 plus Na2CO3, when we add water to it, it forms Na2CO3 10H2O. This is a chemical formula for washing soda. So where you can use this in glass, soap, paper industry, and it is also used to remove the permanent hardness of water. It is used in the cleaning of glasses. Example, you can take a kaolin. Yes, we use kaolin to remove the to make our glass look very clearly. So it is used in the cleaning of domestic purposes. Yes, washing soda, it is obtained from recrystallization, means adding of water molecules. Na2CO3 10H2O. This is the chemical formula for washing soda. Where we can use? It is used in glass, soap, paper industry. It is used to remove the permanent hardness of water, and it is used to clean the domestic purposes. Next, gypsum. Even gypsum is also obtained from recrystallization. CaSO4 2H2O. Yes, on heating this. Yes, on heating this. When you heat this, what happens? It removes water molecules. That process again it is called as crystallization. Yes, now when you heat it at 373 kelvins, you will be getting plaster of Paris, POP, lappam. We call that in Telugu, we call it as lappam, POP, plaster of Paris. What is the chemical formula? CaSO4 half H2O. You have to heat this gypsum only at 373 kelvins in order to get gypsum. Yes, if you heat it with more temperature, you won't get this gypsum. You have to heat exactly at 373 kelvins in order to get this plaster of Paris, CaSO4 half H2O. What are the uses? You are very familiar as we are getting Ganesh festival. Yes, in order to, it is used in the preparation of Ganesh idols, Durga Mata idols, and it is also used in the preparation of some toys, and also it is also used when your hand gets fractured. Yes, you will say no cement putty. Yes, that cement, whatever that bandage, it has been prepared from this plaster of Paris. Yes, so and it is also used in the preparation of home decorations. You will make it makes the surfaces smooth. Yes, so gypsum CaSO4 2H2O, on heating it at 373 kelvins, we will be getting plaster of Paris. CaSO4 half H2O. This is a chemical formula for plaster of Paris. It is used in the preparation of toys, idols, decoration and fractured bones. Yes, this is about our 10th class, 3rd chapter. We have completed acids, bases and salts. If you have any doubts, please put in a comment. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.